On my left hand side here is one of the ASUS latest ExpertCenter series desktops, the ExpertCenter D3 Tower D300TA. This is a budget desktop PC that features full business grade securities and durabilities. With the current situation right now, the demand for laptops and PC has been increased significantly for businesses, work from homes, and even online classes for students. The ExpertCenter D3 Tower D300TA is highly customizable to match your business need. It can be beefed up to 10th Gen Intel Core i7, 64GB of RAMs, and paired with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 discrete card for high graphics demands need. The model that I have here is the 10th Gen Intel Core i5 10500 with 8GB of 3200 DDR4 RAMs, 1TB hard disk drive, and pre-installed with Windows 10 Professional. It has a solid build and receives 810G military standard that brings peace of mind, especially your precious data. The ExpertCenter D3 is a mid-sized tower with plenty of ports that you could possibly need. On the front, there are two USB 2.0 Type A, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, headphone and microphone jack. On the rear, there are HDMI 1.4 and VGA for dual display output, two USB 2.0 Type A, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, and a Gigabit LAN port. There are also audio ports for external speakers and microphone. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are pre-installed on the systems and come with a magnetic antenna. ASUS understand the importance of IT securities. ExpertCenter desktop support Trusted Platform Module or TPM, USB port read-write controls, and Kensington security slot and padlock slot. Expandability is pretty good here with an extra RAM slot, extra SATA connectors for SSD or HDD expansions, an empty M.2 slot for Speedy storage, also 16x PCIe Express if you want to have a dedicated graphic card, which I mentioned earlier. The overall design is very minimalist and could fit in any environments like shops, offices, labs, and even home. You can match with any monitor size that you want and perhaps with the built-in speakers as it doesn't come with a speaker. You may want to pick up a webcam if you need it for online meetings or classes. Standard wired USB keyboard and mouse is included, so you don't need to spend extra for it. This desktop is good for those who are looking for pre-built PCs with reliable and trusted brands. If you are planning to get this PC, I would highly recommend you to get a M.2 to improve the user experience of Windows 10 with this PC, as the 3.5mm hard disk drive is pretty meh. There's no actual pricing for this desktop as it's only available for pre-order based on the customizations that you need. For more information, you can check out the link in the description box below. If you are new here, my name is Joshua Wong. I do a lot of how-to, tech unboxings and reviews. And if this is your kind of stuff, do consider to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.